So today we will work on JavaScript. First, comment or remove this code content because we will be using JavaScript to generate the random code using AJAX. We then need to select this code div. So open script.js, create a variable code, and use document.querySelector to select a code. Then create a function, generate new code. Inside the function, create XMLHttpRequest. So add const XSR and use new XMLHttpRequest. Then add XSR dot onReadyStateChange. Add a callback function. Inside this function, add if statement. Inside the condition, add XSR.readyState equals 4. Then add XSR.open. Use a get method and API URL. We will add them a bit later, so just use a single quote. Finally, add XSR.send. For the API, we will use Quotable API, which is free to use. I will share this link in the description. Copy this base URL and paste them inside the code. Also, since we need random codes, click Get Random Codes. Copy this endpoint path and paste them in the base URL. Now we have a full API endpoint URL that should return random codes. We can quickly test them in the browser, so copy the URL and paste them in the browser. It seems the SSL certificate is expired, so try it with just HTTP. And now you can see it is generating new data every time we refresh. After that, it's time to work on the data. So add const data and use json.parse xsr.responseText. This converts the JSON formatted response from an AJAX request into a JavaScript object for easy data handling. To log the data, add console.log data. Also, call this function at the end. Check the preview. Open the console and we can see the data. From this data, we need to use author and content. So create a variable HTML and use a backtick. For the content, we need to add them in the p tag. So use the p tag. Then use dot notation to get the data of the content. So use $data 0.content. Likewise, for the author, we need em tag. Add em. Again, use $data 0.author. Now we need to add this HTML inside this code div. So use code.innerHTML equals HTML. Check the preview, and now we can see both code content and the author name. One last thing is remaining now. When I click on this button, it is not showing other codes. This is a simple fix. In the button tag, add onClick attribute and use the function generate new code. Check the preview, click the button, and this time it works. This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this AJAX project, Random Code Generator. I will see you again in my next video.